Okay, so today I'm going to do a little work on the cab here before I prime it. This weekend's probably going to end up being a bit of a bust, but today's job is to weld up these two holes that were for the old original internal fuel tank. That's going at the back of the frame in this one. As well, to clean up the back sides of these welds and weld up any of the porosity in them. And if that doesn't stretch on too long, do a little bit of wire wheeling on some of the surface rust that's in here, wire wheeling some of the seams so that I can hit them with some seam sealer before I do any priming. Now I guess I didn't put seam sealer along the back wall, but I'm going to use up some of these old tubes I've got of it and see how that goes. As well, I replaced the inner rockers on these things. I want to clean up the inside of the weld, but I really need to flip the cab onto its back first, so I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not. I don't have any pallets to flip it onto, and I'm not going to flip it onto a dirt floor in this crappy shop. Yeah, once this is out of here, I'm going to free up an enormous amount of space. A little crude. That's the problem with the magnets, is that they do tend to pull the TIG flame away, if you want to call it a flame. Okay, that's that one tacked. I'll give it a little bit with the hammer and dolly because it's not sitting quite flat. It wasn't perfect on this end here. Okay, so that's that one tacked in. So I'll give it a little bit of hammer and dollying before I go and I finish weld this. That side is sitting a little bit high on this back one. They're not perfect fits, but there's probably less than a 1/16 of an inch all the way around. Some sides, for the most part, it's actually contacting, but because I didn't cut it exactly round, it's not perfect. Shit. Not good. Okay, I'll let that cool for a bit. Okay, so there you go, fully welded. Not looking particularly pretty, but they're welded up. There you go. all flap wheeled smooth. Sorta. Okay, just spent a little bit of time cleaning up these welds on the back. They're not the best, but nothing that a little bit of filler won't take care of. I hate to keep saying that, because a lot of people don't like filler, but the reality is there's always going to be just a skim coat. There's certainly not going to be anywhere near even a 1/16 of an inch on any of these, but they don't look too bad. I wish I would have done these with the TIG. I think I could have done a lot better job than with the MIG. Anyways, I didn't have it at that time, because I did this probably 3 years ago. This cab was supposed to be for another truck, but it's going on this 4x4. Anyways, I think that's it for today. Vicky went out to pick us up something from Pizza Burger, so I'm going to go in and have something to eat.